Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe with some great exterior features that include front and rear bumper sensors, roof rails, along with 19-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black leather interior. This Santa Fe also comes equipped with a panoramic moonroof, all-weather floor mats, and memory seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you have your cruise along with your safety features. At the back we have paddle shifters as well. This Hyundai comes with 28,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your navigation along with your AM/FM radio. You also have Bluetooth phone connection and a backup camera that comes with a 360-degree camera as well. Right below that, we have our dual zone climate controls. You have your gear selection on the left side here, along with your multi-terrain select and your heated and ventilated seat options with your heated steering wheel as well. Taking a look at our rear seats, you have your heated seat button right beside your window switch. You also have two fold-out cup holders, outlets on the back of your center console, and a storage pouch in the passenger seat back. This Hyundai also comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we have a ton of storage space with the rear seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the rear seats easily fold down using these power buttons located on the right side. To close the liftgate, you could use the button on your key fob again, but there's also an additional button on the top of the liftgate itself. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe with some great interior features that include heated and ventilated seats, navigation, a panoramic moonroof, a heated steering wheel, along with power folding and heated second row seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.